If you are surprised by today's market action, you don't understand price action. What's up, everybody? It is Bubba's Day Update for Wednesday, September the 9th. And here we are with a market that is ripping your face off to the upside, which we mentioned could happen yesterday on yesterday's update and text. We said that we expect to see this type of rally to show up. And here it is. Okay, again, you never know when they're coming, but as they continue to pound markets down, as they did Thursday, Friday, Tuesday, you knew this was coming. Now, the real question is what happens from here? And all I can base my decision on is where we stand in our algorithms, which is we're basically now short. We have one long index left, which is the Russell. We are short the Dow, S&P, and NASDAQ. Of course, the Dow, we were able to sell today into this rally. So not so bad yet. In the meantime, again, as you know, we have what we have, and there'll be no adjustments until tomorrow, no matter what happens the rest of today. I expect this rally to fail. I expect an opportunity to sell more into it, but I am going to watch it as we do always and observe the action before I do anything. Because again, these dead cat or rip your face off rallies can last for the whole day, maybe half the day, maybe till tomorrow. So we'll see. And once it shows some weakness, we will probably go ahead and place some things from the short side for during the day. Okay. In the meantime, the metals have had a fairly dramatic turnaround today. They were down and looked pretty bad. Now they look up and they look pretty good. So it's been kind of very volatile. And that's not a surprise, as platinum, silver, and gold were all sitting on support. Tried to break down, couldn't, so they sprung higher, which is, again, no surprise. We remain short all three. The crude oil market is getting a little bit of a bounce again. Not a surprise when you look at where it's been the last few days. Okay, again, they keep pounding down. You're going to see a natural bounce, but the question is, what is the trend? And the trend is lower, and we remain short. Bonds and notes are slightly lower. Natural gas slightly lower. We're still long. Copper is higher. We're long. The dollar has failed at that top level once again. Now, again, it looks like we're in just a congestion phase, which has not determined. So although we're short, if we break to the upside, it could certainly reverse us and start to retrend higher. It's been stuck in this 92, 94 range for weeks. So we'll see where we go from here. But overall, the whole markets are, again, we think this is very much an overdue rally, first of all, but I don't think it's going to last. But we'll see. And again, we don't predict. We use the algorithms to make all decisions. And with them being short, I have to assume that we will be staying short and we will not see reversal. However, anything is possible, which is why we talk about drawdowns on a regular basis as well, because we do have them. The grain markets, corn's a little bit lower, but looks great. Beans and wheat are both higher. They all look good in their own right, and we're happy to be long across the board. Cattle is lower today after yesterday's rally is lower today. We're short both fats and feeder cattle. We look for those to continue to obviously go lower. We're short. Of course, I expect them to bounce somewhere, and I'd like to see us reverse them. But again, I will not fight whatever the algorithm is. Of course, we're still long hogs, which are slightly higher today. But the big picture is just remember, this was expected. The depth and how big, who knows? It goes, when you get a shorts covering rally, when you get a dead cat bounce, when money comes pouring in, it's easy to see, and the sellers step away and let them push the market as high as they want. So we'll see where we go from here, but there's probably some pretty key resistance levels coming. Just be careful. Okay, and as always, if you're going to trade, just use discipline and know where your exit's at. In the meantime, don't forget about our new partnership with Family Farms. Again, we're really looking forward to it. And again, as I say, we want to get out so we can do some things with them. But we're working on some great new stuff for everybody out there. So that's going to be great. Our brokerage partners for futures and commodities, CTG, our letter of direction trading. They've got some great new products. They get great customer service. We like trading with them. We like using them. I use them myself, although I do have other brokerage accounts. And trade here for equities and options. I say the same thing every day. $10 a month. How can you beat it? But they do a great job. They got great customer service. So again, I look at the whole picture, and for my money, although I have other brokerage accounts, I prefer CTG and Tradier. And if you want any information, I've got a special link for both at Bubba at BubbaTrading.com. You can email me. And our commodity report tonight comes out the weekly again, and I'm sure it's meant to be another smash hit as he's been on fire. Andy Hecht, #1 author at Seeking Alpha, been in the business for 40 years, traded physical commodities worldwide, and I mean went to places worldwide that you and I wouldn't want to go to. You want to check it out? It's called Technomental. It's at BubbaTrading.com. It's $100 a month or $800 a year. In the meantime, have a great day, everybody. Thanks so much for being here. Be careful. Learn to expect and watching price action, what should happen next based on what you're seeing. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you back here with another Bubba's Day update tomorrow. Have a great day.